Okay, this video is on module settings, and here is a list of the current modules that are in the theme. So the first one we're going to start with is the accordion. So here I have added a new page, and as you can see, the default page always has the header, top menu, the section that we add or edit, and the footer. And you can move these around if you wish, or delete them if you don't want them by clicking on the little garbage can icon there. And if you decide that you made a mistake and you want them back, one way to do that is by clicking on one of the revisions that you've made, and if you only deleted the section a couple minutes ago, you'll go back to a previous setting and just restore this. Or you can go ahead and add a custom section and add the information again. So we're going to start off with setting the section settings, and that's the background. You can select a previously designated style from the style wizard. You can upload a background image. You can set a specific color for the background, add videos, etc. I'm going to add an image, and you can select something from your library or upload files. And I'm going to select this image, and here's the size, and I'm going to set this as the background, and we're going to save. Now this is the area here is for the row settings. So I will select here. Again, you can select style wizard, upload an image, or select a background color, and there's padding settings, etc. And I'm going to add a background color, and we'll save the row setting. And then we come to the individual columns, and you have 14 styles that you can designate for the columns. And for this one, I'm going to choose this, and now you add your modules. You click on module, and I'm going to add accordion, and we'll name this, and then add an item. When you are going to add media, click your mouse in the text box, click on Add Media, and it will take you to your media library. You can select images that you've already uploaded, or click on Upload Files and either drag and drop or click on here to select files from where you have them. And I'm going to add something that's already in my media, and if you need to edit the image, you can click on this link here, delete it permanently. You can expand the title if you want, and down at the bottom here are settings for image sizes. And I'm just going to insert this into the page, and there is my image. How would you like that sitting next to you? Okay, now I'm going to add another item, and this will be description. just take the info from my clip diary and visual and insert the information that I've saved and select insert and add one more. You can add as many as you want. And I'm going to add a link to a video, so I want to make sure that I click on text, and I will copy the data that I already collected and paste that in here, and I want the video to be centered, so I'm going to add that tag and we'll insert the item, and I'm going to save and update and then preview the page that I've done. Okay, so here is the background for the section. This is a pretty cool spider web with raindrops on it. Here is the background for the row, that's the tan color, and then my accordion was centered in the middle of that, and here is the image that I added, here's the description that I added, and here is my centered video. And that is pretty much it for accordion. Now you can make it the width of the row, you can make it smaller, you can use any of the column sizes. So everyone you select will give you a different layout of the page and different size columns to add your accordion. Next video will be on the next module setting.